Hello guys, how are you doing today? My name is Tayyab and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't yet, kindly like the video and subscribe the channel. Plus push the bell icon next to the subscribe button. So today video's topic is editing tips for beginner. So let's start. Choose user-friendly software like iMovie or Adobe Premiere Rush. Keep your footage organized with folders. Use transic- transactions sparkingly for a professional look. Pay attention to audio quality. Use royalty-free music to enhance your videos. Finally, practice makes perfect. So keep editing and experiment. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, like the video and comment below. Until next time, goodbye.